Are canned beans as good as cooked beans? All beans are amazing, but they're not quite the same. Here's what the research says. Welcome to Expedition Health. A study from 2011, I will leave a link to it in the description, compared cooked, canned and canned drained beans using nutrient density and cost per nutrient. Cooked beans had the highest levels of protein, fiber, iron, potassium and magnesium, and the lowest levels of sodium. They also had the highest nutrient density and the best nutrient to cost ratio, or in simple words, more nutrients for less money. On the other hand, canned beans had much more sodium, over 12% of daily value per serving, but draining and rinsing reduced that significantly, making them a healthier option. Or just simply, when you buy canned, make sure you buy the unsalted version. The bottom line is, cooked beans are nutritionally superior and cheaper, but canned beans, if drained or if you buy unsalted, are still a great convenient alternative. Way better than skipping beans entirely. So, eat your beans out, and while you're doing that, don't forget to subscribe.